Good day children, Sai Ram. In today's class, we are going to have a dictation test. And the dictation test is for English New Voices. Lesson number 1, Peter enters the garden. Children, the words were already given to you. So I hope that you are well prepared and ready for today's dictation test. So children, quickly be ready with your notebook, a sharpened pencil and an eraser. Come back soon. Children, I hope you are ready with your notebook, a sharpened pencil and an eraser. So first thing, you will put today's date. Okay, did you finish writing today's date? Okay, the second thing, you will give the heading as dictation test, and in the bracket you will write lesson number 1, Peter enters the garden. You will give the heading as dictation test. In the bracket you will write lesson number 1, Peter enters the garden. Okay, have you finished writing the heading? Okay, now the third thing is you will write numbers 1 to 20, one below the other. Or you can write 10 words on one page and the other 10 words on the next page. Write numbers 1 to 20 because there will be 20 words for the dictation. So children, I hope you have done with this. So now let us start with the dictation test. All the words will be repeated 3 times. And remember children, when you are writing the words for dictation, all the words will begin with small letters. If you write any word with capital letter, that word will be considered as wrong even if the spelling is correct. So all the words in dictation should begin with small letters. Okay children, so are you ready? Okay, the first word, radishes. 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 The second word, mischief. 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 The third word, loaf. 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 The fourth one, bunnies. 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 The fifth one, squeezed. 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 Sixth, umbrella. 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 Seventh one, naughty. 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 8th one, buns. 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 9th one, root. 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 10th one, accident. 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 The 11th one, lane. 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 The 12th one, lettuces. 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 The 13th one, current. 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 14th, pie. 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 Number 15th, underneath. 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 The 16th one, garden. 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 17th, fields. 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 18th one, morning. 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 The 19th one, straight. 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 And the last one, basket. 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 Children, I will read the words once again. The first one is radishes. Second one is mischief. Third one is loaf. Fourth one is bunnies. Fifth one is squeezed. Sixth, umbrella. Seventh, naughty. 8, buns. 9th, root. 10th, accident. 11th, lane. 12th, lettuces. 13th, current. 14th, pie. 15th, underneath. 16th, garden. 17th, fields. 18th, morning. 19th, straight. And the last one is basket. Okay, children? So now today you will have to do my work. Normally I check your dictation words, but today you will have to check your own dictation words. Children, you will put a tick mark if the spelling of the given word is correct, and a cross mark if the spelling of the given word is wrong. And children, remember, no cheating. You know now, honesty is the best policy. So you have to be honest. You should not cheat. Okay. No matter even if the word is wrong. There is always a next time. Next time you can try to get good marks. So children, I hope you will not cheat. You will be honest with yourself and you will do the necessary corrections. So children, let us start now. The first word given was radishes. R-A-D-I-S-H-E-S. Radishes. Children, if the beginning of the word is written in capital letter, it will be marked as wrong. It was already told to you that in dictation all the words will begin with small letters and not with capital letters. So if you have started the word with a capital letter, then you will mark it as wrong even if the spelling is correct. So shall I proceed with the second word? The second word is mischief. M-I-S-C-H-I-E-F. Mischief. The next word, loaf. L-O-A-F. Loaf. L-O-A-F. Loaf. The next word, bunnies. B-U-N-N-I-E-S. Bunnies. B-U-N-N-I-E-S. Bunnies. The next word, squeezed. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-D. Squeezed. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-D. Squeezed. The sixth one, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. The seventh one, naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. The eighth one, buns. B-U-N-S. Buns. B-U-N-S. Buns. The next one, root. R-O-O-T. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. The 10th one, accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. The 11th one, lane. L-A-N-E. Lane. L-A-N-E. Lane. The 12th one, lettuces. L-E-T-T-U-C-E-S. Lettuces. L-E-T-T-U-C-E-S. Lettuces. The 13th one, current. C-U-R-R-A-N-T. Current. C-U-R-R-A-N-T. Current. The 14th one, pie. P-I-E. pie. P-I-E, pie. The 15th one, underneath. U-N-D-E-R-N-E-A-T-H, underneath. U-N-D-E-R-N-E-A-T-H, underneath. The 16th one, garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. The 17th one, fields. F-I-E-L-D-S, fields. F-I-E-L-D-S, fields. The 18th one, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. 19th one, straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. And the last one, basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Children, I hope you have honestly corrected the dictation words. So now count how many tick marks you have got. And you can give accordingly the marks out of 20. So you can write this way. Below you can write 20 and above you will write the number of tick marks you have got. Count the number of tick marks you have got and accordingly you will write. So this test was out of 20. So here you can write, if you are getting 18 tick marks, you will write here 18. If you are getting full 20 tick marks, then you will write 20 out of 20. Okay children, I hope you have given marks to your dictation test. Okay, so now let us proceed. Children, if you are getting 20 out of 20, then you will be getting 5 stars and a remark. And the remark is excellent. If you are getting 19 out of 20, then you will get 4 stars and a remark. And the remark is very good. If you are getting 18 out of 20, you will get 3 stars and a remark. And the remark is good. But children, if you are getting less than 7 out of 20, then you will have to work hard. You will have to promise me that in the next dictation test, you will score better marks than what you have scored today. So children, I hope you will prepare well for the next dictation test. This is only for those students who are scoring less marks. And if you have got any words wrong in today's dictation test, then you will have to write those words 3 times in your book. Practice it every day and very soon you will master the spellings of all the words. In today's dictation test, we have covered only a small part of lesson number 1, Peter enters the garden. In the next class, we will have a dictation test for the next part of lesson number 1, Peter enters the garden. Till then, keep on practicing. Bye. Sai Ram.